Okay, mag-unbox po tayo. Unboxing. This is my first order from Z6 Ing Jing Ching. Ano pangalan ni? ZHJRJ Archery Philippines. Where do I start? Where should I start? This is my first journey in archery, buying my first set of bow and arrow. So, okay, I'm going to remove na natin. So, this is the accessory. Okay. What's yung pangalan ano? I don't know what's the name of this one, but it is placed here or here. Next one is, I don't know, I think this is the bag. Oh, this is the bag. I have also the bow stand. Okay, complete accessories siya. Hindi ka nalugi. We will see what's the inside this one. Oh! Yung hand rest niya dito, yung sa kamay dito, at ang kanyang sight. Okay, maganda ang kanyang sight, very presentable. I don't know what's this one, we will see. I think meron pa. Oh, ito yung pang ng string para maayos yung string, and then the bow rests here. Itong dalawa. So next, to open, I don't know what's this one. Oh, yung lalagyan niya dito. So I will be officially an archer. So I think that's this one. Palaman ito. So kumpleto to, wax para sa string, bow string. This is the wax. So, popost ko na lang mamaya. This is my first video din sa YouTube. Oh! Ayan. Ito na. I think this is now the Oh! Oh, I have the, I don't think what's the name of this one, I forgot. So, dalawa siya. Limb, right. Limb brother. Okay. Ito yung limb niya. Dalawa, maganda, matibay. Limb, ito. Brand niya, Junsing Archery. So, this is a PVC with bamboo inside. As what is the description? Upper. This is upper. Okay. Then this is the lower part of the boat. Yan. So ito na ang riser. Okay. Yan po, riser. Maganda po ang kanyang pagkabalot, maganda po ang kanyang pagkalagay. So it is my first time to buy in their store. Wow! Very nice. This is an aluminum. As what is the description provided. So ganon. So this one. Yan. Ano po, meron pa dito. Ano to? I think this is the arrow. So may dala siyang arrow, complete set to. Complete set. From ZHJR Archery Philippines. So I tried to order sa China yung ganito rin na brand pero it was not delivered. So I tried. Ako ni siya moy. Te! Ikaw sagot ko ante. So here is the arrow. Okay. I think it is 12 arrows. I think they forgot to give me lagay ko yung pan 12. 12 arrows. arrows.
Ya, asa imong dula di ano eh. Asa imong kan.
Kare, buon pa. Kana lagi na eh.
Ya. Awak mo Christmas bonus. Ang gunting no yay, bilin diha.
Mga saba, pag yun, nag-video ta. Liga yun ka mga saba sa akong video dito eh. So, ayan. Sorry for the inconvenience. Ayan, may 24 bow po tayo. Ay, 24 arrows. Napakaganda, guys. Napakaganda. Yay! Thank you. So sa next video ko na lang yung assembly nito, okay? Here is the set no sa Archer. Okay, goods man siya, napakaganda. I love it. Ayan, complete set po 'yan siya. Yan. Junsing Archery. Thank you.